Something. Say something. Hello, my name is Daniela. I love eating mold. Daniela, now say something.
I always say,
Look at the camera.
always say the bazoo and pada.
Can you tell us a joke?
Yeah,
Knock, knock. Say knock, knock.
knock knock,
Who's there?
a banana.
Up on know who.
Badminton.
Ha 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 ha. Tell us a story. Tell us a story. A story, please. A story.
Next time, a person walked away a box because she wanted to buy her grandma or shoe. Next time, the wolf going on the ground to see his brother tomorrow. He walked away on the box and got the chicken and all the boxy cats.
Is that the end?
Yeah?
Okay. Thank you for telling us a wonderful story. Thank you for watching Daniela's little video and Jada's little video.